So today we had a customer pick up his GTO. He dropped it off for some heavy service yesterday, and after he was done, he has two vehicles. I'm not sure what he does for a living. He obviously takes care of his stuff. So he came out here after he paid his bill and came out here and said, "Hey, what should I do about the harmonic balancer?" And I said, "It's just starting to wobble. You got a little bit of time on it. Keep an eye on it." He did fix everything else. Basically a 100K service, and caught up on some maintenance. So he came out and we were just talking about Jake Paul, Mike Tyson, Lancaster, a bunch of different things. And then he was telling me that he's been saving for years. He has this fund that he takes his money, X amount of his paycheck, and puts it into a separate account for repairs and maintenance and vacations. And he told me that he hasn't really had that many heavy repairs over the years to consume this slush fund. Some people who are thrifty and spavers and savers and all that stuff, it is a very good idea to have a slush fund account for your vehicles. Not a slush fund to go buy a new car all the time and waste your money and have nothing to show for it after you lease a car, but actually an investment. And then when Rachel gave him the bill, she said it's a little heavy, and he said, I kind of figured it would be. GTO is becoming hard to get parts for. He's already aware of that, other than online. So let's talk about retail world here. And he said, hey, no worries. I have plenty of money saved up for things like this. I kind of expected it to be a big bill. Excuse me. And I haven't heard this from a customer in a long time, is where they have a separate account for car repair and maintenance. Vacations, I think most people nowadays count on their tax return to take them on vacation. The world is an expensive place now. But it was just, that's what people used to do in the old days, is put money aside for the house and put money aside for this, and and mentally just say, hey, that is not for anything but fixing the house or fixing the car or vacations, and break it up and say, I can't touch that because it's for this. But kudos to him, and he wasn't sticker shocked at the price. He wasn't overwhelmed because he's been planning for stuff like this, which is a good thing. I don't think a lot of people anymore across the world plan on fixing their car, nor have the extreme budget, other than whack their credit card. But it was just interesting to know that some people still think like that. Hey, I need to save for things like this. Thanks for watching.